Which eye belongs to a baby? Intuition test. Don't think too much, just trust your gut. Which path will you follow? Which gift is a cell phone? Is the rocket going to the moon or to Mars? Moon. Which one is the red bicycle? Who thinks about you every day?